Good evening to all the participants.
Regarding fungal
after
diagnosis.
Dr. Maurya's talk, I shall be taking this talk on the fungal samples in pathology lab.
Orientation
Now,
of a
this
pathology
topic
lab.
would be covered
A
under the
pathology
following
lab doesn't
headings.
have a dedicated
Since we have a heterogeneous
heterogeneous
population,
section like a microbiology lab.
firstly, I'll
It
give
is
you an
basically divided
overview
into
pathology
three
lab.
sections. Then what are the
Histopathology,
tools which are available with the
cytopathology, and
pathologist
hematology.
to make a diagnosis of
Histopathology
fungal
deals with
infection?
tissue specimens.
What are the different types of
Cytopathology,
samples
as the
we
name
receive?
indicates, deals with
Briefly,
the
I
cells.
shall discuss about the
Hematology,
processing
as
of
you know,
these
it
samples
deals
with
with
the
the
blood specimens.
not within the scope of this lecture
So,
to cover all the steps
hematology,
of
it
processing.
deals with blood and bone
Finally,
marrow
I shall
specimens.
discuss about the
Cytopathology
advantages of
deals with
histopathological
FNAC
examination
specimens
and the challenges
exfoliative
faced by a
cytology samples from any
histopathologist.
site,
And
any
what
body
do
fluid,
the
they
clinician
come to
expect
cytopathology
from a
lab
pathologist
and regarding a
histopathology deal
fungal
with the
diagnosis.
tissue specimens. So you should know
So
where
this
to
slide
send
gives
the
you an
appropriate
overview
sample.
about the
Now,
orientation
what
of
are
a
the
pathology
various
lab.
tools available
A
to
pathology
diagnose a
lab
fungal
doesn't have a
infection?
dedicated
Microscopic
microscopic section like
examination,
a microbiology lab.
and
It is
antigen or
basically divided into
antibody-based
three
detection tests,
sections:
histopathology,
molecular diagnostics,
cytopathology,
and
and
hematology.
culture.
Histopathology
Now, out of
deals
this
with tissue
emanation, the
specimens.
emanation which is available with
Cytopathology,
the
as the
pathologist
name
is
indicates,
microscopic
deals with the
examination.
cells.
So this is what
Hematology,
I'm going to
as you
talk
know,
about.
it deals with the blood specimens.
Now, in pathology,
So,
we have routine and special
hematology,
stains
it
which
deals with
are
blood and
come
bone
under
marrow
light
specimens.
microscopy.
Cytopathology
Then we
deals
also
with
have
FNAC
immunohistochemistry
specimens
and in situ hybridization,
exfoliative cytology
which might be
samples from
used for
any
fungal
site, any
detection.
body fluid,
But
they come to
as of now,
cytopathology lab,
these tests are
and
being used
histopathology
only
deal
for
with the
research
tissue
purposes.
specimens.
So by
So
and
you
large,
should
my
know
discussion
where
will be
to send
focused
the
on light
appropriate
microscopy.
sample.
Now, as discussed in
Now,
yesterday's
what are the
class,
various tools available
routine
to diagnose
pathology
a
stain
fungal
for
infection?
histopathology is H&E stain,
Microscopic
and
examination,
special stains we use pass stains
antigen
or
or
antibody-based detection
also known
test,
as GMS stain.
molecular
But that was
diagnostics,
talking about
and
histopathology.
culture.
When we
Now,
receive a
out of
sample
this
in
emanation,
cytopathology,
the emanation
the
which
routine
is
stains we
available
do
with the
in
pathologist is
cytopathology are
microscopic examination.
Vapor-Klaus
So this
stain
is what
and
I'm going to talk
Bromlowski
about.
stain, which can be
Now,
Maybull Jimsa
in
or Wright
pathology,
Jimsa,
we
or
have
any
routine
Jimsa may
and
be
special
stain.
stains which are
In
come under
hematology, the
light
stain which is
microscopy.
commonly used is
Then we also
Jimsa
have
stain, Leishman stain,
immunohistochemistry
or
and in situ
Maybull Jimsa,
hybridization, which might be used for fungal
Now,
detection.
just to
But
classify
as of
which
now,
sample we
these
go
tests
in
are
which
being
lab
used only
in
for research
hematology.
purposes.
Bone marrow
So by and
estimates will
large,
go
my
in
discussion
hematology
will
lab.
be focused on light
Cytology lab
microscopy.
receives samples
Now,
like
as
sputum,
discussed in yesterday's
endoscopic
class,
samples like
routine
from
pathology
bronchial
stain for
lavage, bronchial
histopathology
brushings,
is H&E
bronchial
stain,
wash,
and special
FNA
stains
from
we use
lung,
pass
skin, or
stains
any
or
other
silver
lesion,
stain, also known
cerebrospinal
as GMS
fluid,
stain.
urine sample,
But that was
or
talking about
cervicovaginal
histopathology.
cytology, also
When we
commonly
receive a
known as
sample in
pap smears.
cytopathology, the routine stains we
Histopathology
do in
lab will
cytopathology
receive
are
any kind of tissue
Vapor-Klaus
biopsy,
stain
debridement,
and Bromlowski
surgical
stain, which
resection,
can be
and autopsy
Maybull
specimens,
Jimsa or
which
Wright
may
Jimsa or
show
any
presence
Jimsa
of a
may be
fungi.
plain.
In hematology, the
So
stain which
this
is commonly
slide
used is
shows the
Jimsa
spectrum
stain,
of
Leishman
lesions
stain,
which
or
can be
Maybull
encountered
Jimsa.
in different sections of
Now,
pathology lab.
just to
When
classify
I
which
mean the
sample
spectrum
we
of
go
lesion,
in
I
which
mean
lab,
spectrum of
in
fungal
hematology,
lesions.
bone
Now
marrow
this
estimates will
was
go in
a
hematology lab.
histopathology specimen.
Cytology
This
lab
is a
receives
skin
samples
biopsy.
like
You can
sputum,
clearly see the epidermis,
endoscopic
and it
samples
is showing
like from
pigmented fungal
bronchial
colonies in
lavage,
the
bronchial
dermis.
brushings, bronchial
This
wash,
is a sputum. Now,
FNA
in
from
this sputum
lung, skin,
sample,
or
what
any
you are
other
seeing, these
lesion,
are hyphal structures.
cerebrospinal fluid, urine
This is a
sample,
bronchoalveolar
or
lavage
cervicovaginal
specimen,
cytology,
where
also
after
commonly known
the
as pap
centrifuging and
smears.
preparing the sediment, it was stained with
Histopathology lab
GMS
will
stain,
receive
and you are seeing
any
these
kind of tissue biopsy,
cystic organisms
debridement,
which persist of
surgical
pneumocystis
resection, and autopsy specimens,
These
which
are
may show
cryptococcal
presence of a
organisms
fungi.
which were detected in CSF.
So
And this
is
is
a
a
slide
of
shows the
pap
spectrum
smear,
of lesions which can be
where
encountered
you are
in
seeing
different
these are the different
epithelial
sections of
cells.
pathology lab. These are the
By
neutrophils,
when I
and
mean
here
the
what you are
spectrum of
seeing are
lesion,
the
I mean
budding
spectrum of
yeast of
fungal
Candida.
lesions. So each
Now
sample,
this
when we
was a
see a
histopathology
biopsy,
specimen.
it is a skin
biopsy,
biopsy, lung
You can
biopsy, any
clearly
other
see the
biopsy.
epidermis,
We
and it
stain
is
with
showing
pigmented
pigmented
fungal
stain.
colonies in the dermis.
When we see a cytology
This is a
specimen,
sputum.
we use
Now,
pap
in this
stain
sputum
and
sample,
Jimsa
what you are
stain.
seeing, these are hyphal
This
structures.
is a pap stain smear. So
This is
for
a
every section
bronchoalveolar
there are
lavage
different
specimen.
routine stains,
And
where after
special
the
stains more or
centrifuging
less
and
remain
preparing
the
the
same.
sediment, it was stained with GMS stain,
Now,
and you are
first
seeing
coming to
these
hematological
cystic
specimens.
organisms
Now,
which persist
generally,
of pneumocystis.
the indications for bone marrow
These are
examination is whenever
cryptococcal
you
organisms which
you
were
want to
detected in
evaluate a
CSF.
case of hematological
And this
malignancy
is a
or
slide of
anemia.
pap
But
smear.
bone marrow examination
Cervicovaginal
is also
smear,
done for
where you are
pyrexia
seeing
of
these are
unknown
the
origin.
epithelial
As
cells.
emphasized in
These are the
yesterday's class,
neutrophils, and here what you are seeing are
relevant clinical
budding
context
yeast
is
of
very
Candida.
important. So each
Now,
sample,
bone marrow
when we
aspirate
see
is done
a
from
biopsy,
posterior superior iliac
it is a
spine
skin
below
biopsy, lung biopsy, any other biopsy, bone marrow
we
aspiration
stain
and
with
refining
hematoxin
meters.
eosine stain,
And when we see
the
a cytology
smears
are
specimen
prepared
we
and
use
they are stained by
pap stain
Romnosky
and
stains.
DIMSA stain.
In bone marrow
This is a pap
specimen,
stain smear. So
histoplasma and
for every
aspergillus has
section
been
there are
commonly
different
reported.
protein stains, and
Now this
special
was the bone
stains
marrow
more or less
aspirate.
remain the
Now
same.
what you are seeing over here, that ththese are macrophages.
Now first coming to
These are
hematological
macrophages which
specimens.
have got
Now
eccentrically pushed
generally
nucleus. And inside the macrophage, bone marrow examination is whenever you want to evaluate a case of hematological malignancy with each other by anemia, clear space.
But bone marrow examination
and
is
also
done
some
for
of these
pyrexia of
organisms
unknown
also
origin.
present extracellularly.
As emphasized in
this
yesterday's
almost
class,
clinches the diagnosis of
relevant
histoplasm.
clinical context is very important. Next, coming
Now,
to
bone marrow
cytology.
aspirate is done
Now,
for posterior
let's
superior
briefly discuss
spine
what is the
using
role of cytology in fungal
bone marrow
diagnosis
aspiration
and what are the
profiling needles.
limitations of cytological
And
samples.
The smears
Now,
are prepared
cytological
and they are
samples, the
stained
role
by
is limited,
Romnowski
but the
stains.
advantage is that
In
it
bone
offers
marrow
a very
specimens,
rapid diagnosis.
histoplasma and
The
aspergillus
challenges which are
commonly
faced by
reported.
cytopathologists
Now, this was a bone marrow
that
aspirate.
he or she has
And
to
what you are
decide
seeing over here
whether
that
the fungal
these are
organism they are
macrophages.
seeing
These are
is
macrophages
it
which have got
contamination
eccentrically
or
pushed nucleus.
colonization
And
or
inside the
infection.
macrophage, you are seeing
Again,
multiple
as emphasized in
organisms
yesterday's class,
which are yeast-like
clinical
organisms
history and
which are
imaging
separated
findings
with each
are
other
of,
by a
are
clear
of
space.
utmost importance.
And
in
also
this
some of these organisms also
if there is a
present
clinical history of pulmonary
extracellularly.
hemorrhage or
This
hemoptysis,
almost clinches
then
the
the
diagnosis
organism
of
is
histoplasm.
unlikely to be a contaminant or a colonizer.
Next, coming to cytology.
The next
Now,
important
let's
question
briefly
is,
discuss what is the
can
role
cytology
of
distinguish
cytology
whether
in
it is
fungal
invasive
diagnosis mycosis
and what
or
are the
non-invasive
limitations of
mycosis?
cytological
The
samples?
answer is no.
Now,
Because
cytological
unlike
samples, the role is
histopathological
limited,
examination,
but the advantage is that it
morphological
offers
clues
a
like
very
tissue
rapid
necrosis,
diagnosis.
vascular
The
innervation
challenges
and
which are faced by
thrombosis
are not
cytopathologists
identified in
are
cytological
that
samples.
he or she has to decide
Now,
whether
how
the
do we
fungal
process
organism they
cytology
are
samples?
seeing as
Is
Dr.
it
Maurya
contamination
mentioned that
or
all the samples have to
colonization
be sent in
or
sterile
infection?
screw cap containers.
Again, as emphasized in
and they have to
yesterday's
be
class,
processed quickly.
clinical history and
Now,
imaging findings
centrifuge
are
smears are prepared for
are
fluid
of
samples. The
utmost
fluid sample
importance
can be
in
a
this
bowel
regard.
fluid, it can be pleural fluid,
If
cyclic
there is a
fluid,
clinical
or
history of
whatever
pulmonary
fluid we
hemorrhage
receive,
or hemoptysis,
we prepare
then
centrifuge
the
smears.
organism is unlikely to be a
For
contaminant
sputum
or a
samples, we
colonizer.
use a technique which is
The
known
next
as pick
important
and smear
question
technique.
is, can cytology distinguish
Routine
whether it
smear
is invasive
prepared for
mycosis or
FNA
non-invasive
for FNA,
mycosis?
The
Even
answer
if
is
the
no.
lesion is
Because
suspected
unlike
to be of fungal
histopathology
examination
or of any malignancy,
morphological clues
the
like
smear
preparation
preparation
remains the
necrosis,
same. Vascular
that is,
invasion and
we put a
thrombosis
needle
are
inside
not
the lesion
identified in
and
cytological samples.
then we prepare air
Now,
dried
how do
and
we process
wet
cytology
fixed
samples?
smears.
As Dr.
Now,
Maurya
air dried
mentioned
smears
that all the samples
allowed
have to
to
be
dry
sent
in
in
sterile
and they are
screw-cap
stained by
containers.
Romnowski stains.
And they have
What
to
are
be
Romnowski
processed quickly.
stains? The most
Now,
commonly used
centrifuge
Romnowski
smears
stain in
are prepared for
cytology is
fluid
Jean
samples. The
stain.
fluid sample can be a bowel
Alcohol
fluid, it
fixed
can be
smears
pleural
are
fluid,
stained by
ascitic fluid,
Plaquenil-Claus
or
stain.
whatever fluid we receive.
Now, for
we prepare
diagnosing
centrifuge
fungal
smears.
infections at times,
For
hematoxylin and
sputum
eosin
samples,
stains
we
are also
use a
performed on
technique which is
cytology
known as
samples.
pick and smear technique.
Now, this slide shows you how
Routine
a
smear
cytospin
is prepared
smear
for
is
FNA.
prepared.
For
Now,
FNA,
what you require,
even
that
if
you require the
sample
lesion
is
is suspected
suspected
to be of
you
fungal
require this
etiology
clip
or of
you
any
require the
malignancy.
funnel in which the
The
sample
smear
has to be
preparation
put.
remains the same.
There is a slide
That
and
is,
it comes with a
you
filter
put a
paper.
needle inside the lesion,
You insert
and
the glass slide in the cytospin
then we
clip,
prepare
air dried
then you
and
insert
wet
the filter
fixed-
paper.
wet
Now
fixed
see
smears.
that this filter paper
Now,
has got
air
a
dried
small hole
smears
inside.
are allowed to dry
Then
in
you
air
insert the
and they are
funnel in
stained
the
by
clip Romnowski stains.
You
What are
also
Romnowski stains? The
arrange
most
for a
commonly
balanced
used
clip
Romnowski
to be
stain
placed in the
cytology is
cytospin.
Jean stain. Then
Alcohol fixed smears
you
are
place
stained
two
by
cytospin
Plaquenil-Claus
clips
stain.
opposite to each other.
Now, for diagnosing
instill
fungal
this
infection
sample
at
in
times,
this
hematoxylin and
suppose
eosin stains
cell
are
7.
also performed on cytology
Then
samples.
you place the cover, and
Now,
the
this
machine
slide
lid is
shows you
closed.
how
You set
a
the speed and
cytospin
timer. Now
smear
the
is
speed and
prepared.
timer can
Now,
vary
what you require
according to lab. The sample
also
of course.
vary according
You
to
require
the
this
type
clip,
of sample
you require the
processing.
funnel in which the sample
Now,
has to be
I had
put.
shown you that filter
There's a
paper
slide
had a
and it
hole.
comes with a
The
filter
objective
paper.
of that hole was that
You
all the
insert the
cells
glass
must slide
slide
in
in the
and
cytospin
come
clip.
into this small area.
Then
on
you
the
insert
slide.
the filter paper.
As
Now
we
see
have
that
to
this
screen
filter
only
paper
this
has
much
got a
area of
small
slide.
hole
This
inside
much
it.
area of this slide.
Then you insert the funnel
all
in
the
the
cells
clip.
would be concentrated in this
You
small
also,
area.
if you don't
Arrange
have a
for a
cytospin,
balanced clip
even plain
to be
centrifuge
placed in the cytospin.
you can use and prepare the smear
Then
from the sediment.
You place two cytospin clips
For
opposite to each
sputum,
other.
the ideal technique which
To
is
instill
used
this
is sample in
pick and
this
smear technique.
suppose
Here,
in cell
you
7.
examine the sputum,
Then
take a
you
slide,
place the cover,
mark the
and
area,
machine
and then
lid
you
is
prepare
closed.
the smear
You
over
set
this
the speed
area.
and timer. Now
Let
the
the
speed
smear
and
dry
timer can
and
vary
then you do further
according
staining.
to lab
Staining
staining, as
also
I
vary
mentioned, that
according
you
to the
routinely
type
we
of
do
sample you are processing.
one Romnowski stain,
Now,
we do
I had
Jean
shown
stain,
you that
we do
filter
Pap stain,
paper had a
and
hole.
if we are
The
suspecting
objective
any
of that
organism,
hole
we
was
can
that
do
all the
GMS stain
cells
or
must sediment
past.
and come into this
Now
small
let's
area
come
on
to an
the slide.
example where
As
we have to
FNA
screen
was
only
very
this much
actually
area of
useful
slide,
in
this much area of the slide.
giving a diagnosis of a fungal
all the
infection
cells will
very
be concentrated
clinically
in
not
this
at all
small area.
affected. If you don't have a side had a case, even plain centrifuge of a 32-year-old male patient who presented with a history of weight loss. And there was this forced mass, the ideal technique, which is, so when we did a guided FNA was performed, so before we performed the FNA, examine this, we thought that this lesion is going to be malignant. Mark the area and then you prepare the smear over this against malignancy. Let the smear dry, and now when we saw the staining, staining,
What
as
we
I
saw.
mentioned, that you routinely
These cells,
do.
these are
From
bronchial
one
epithelial cells,
Bromnosky
they are
stain,
very
we do
benign,
Giemsa stain, we
no
do
chain,
Pap stain,
absolutely no
and if
chain
we are
at all.
suspecting any
And then
organism,
we
can
saw
do
these
GMS stain
structures.
or Pap stain.
Now these structures,
Now let's come to an
so
example
now I can say
where
that these are yeast-like
FNA was
structures
very
and they are
actually
fungal
useful
organisms
in
that time when we first
giving
saw
a
it,
diagnosis of a fungal
because they have
infection
been
when it
stained
was
by
clinically
MGG
not at
stain.
all expected. So we had a
Since
case
this lesion was not looking
of a
malignant to us,
32-year-old male
and our
patient who
mind was
presented
fixed
with
in
a
the
history of
direction of
weight
weight
loss,
pregnancy,
and there was this mass, huge mass, whether it is a pulmonary hematoma or
when
not,
we
and
did
a guided FNA was
cartilage cells,
performed. So before we
because
performed the
of the
FNA,
abundant
we thought
matrix
that this lesion
which
was
was going to
stained
be malignant,
though the borders were
by
quite
the
well defined, which
MGG
was
stain against
but
malignancy.
then fortunately for us,
Now, when we
and
saw this
unfortunately for the patient, the patient also developed headache.
these cells,
And a
these are
lumbar
bronchial
puncture was
epithelial cells,
performed,
they are very
and
benign,
CSF was sent
no
to
chain,
us.
absolutely no
Now,
chain
when we
at
saw
all.
the CSF,
And then
again
we
we
saw
saw
these
these organisms,
structures.
and this budding was
Now
also
these
seen.
structures,
So a diagnosis
so
of
now I
pulmonary
can say that these
picrocarpoma
are
was
yeast-like
made,
structures and they are
and
fungal
this was
organisms.
unusual
That
because
time
the
when we
patient was
first saw it,
immunocompetent.
because
So
they
at
had been
times
stained by
cytology can
MGG
help you
stain,
in giving a correct diagnosis. When this
since
was
this lesion was
least
not looking
expected even
malignant
by
to
the
us,
clinician.
and our mind was fixed in the direction of
Next, coming
malignancy,
to
the
histopathology
other thing which we
samples.
could think
Now,
of was whether it
histopathology
is a pulmonary
samples, you can
hematoma or not,
classify
and
them
the
according to the
cartilage
procedure which
cells.
has been performed,
Because of
and
the
according to the
abundant
type of
matrix
processing you
which
have
was
done.
stained
The
metachromatic
procedure, it
by
can be a
the
biopsy
MGG
specimen,
stain.
dissection
But
specimen,
then,
or an
fortunately
autopsy
for
specimen.
us, and
The specimen can be
unfortunately
from
for
any
the
site,
patient,
so I have
the
not
patient
mentioned
also
any particular
developed
site.
headache.
Any site
And a
specimen
lumbar
you can
puncture
get,
was
it can be
performed,
biopsy
and
specimen,
CSF was sent to
dissection
us.
specimen, or an
Now, when
autopsy
we saw the
specimen.
CSF, again we saw these
Processing
organisms,
wise,
and this
either it is
budding
a
was
frozen
also seen,
specimen or
so
a
a diagnosis
formalin
of
fixed
pulmonary
paraffin embedded.
picrocarpoma was made.
Now, this formalin fixed
And
paraffin
this
embedded
was
tissue,
unusual
which
because the
Dr.
patient
Maurya
was
also talked about,
immunocompetent.
it is
So
a
at
treasure
times
trove for
cytology can
pathologists
help you in giving
and
a
for
correct
future
diagnosis
molecular diagnostics.
when this was least expected even
Now,
by
before
the
we go
clinician.
into the details, what are the advantages of
Next,
tissue
coming to
biopsy and histological
histopathological
examination?
samples,
In
now
view of
histopathology samples,
fungal
you can
diagnostics.
classify them according
Now,
to the procedure which
tissue
has been
biopsy,
performed,
it
and
helps
according to the type
give
of
a
processing
prompt
you have
provisional
done.
diagnosis.
The procedure,
And you
it
can
be a biopsy
morphologically
specimen,
classify fungi.
dissection
As
specimen, or an
discussed in
autopsy
yesterday's
specimen.
class, you can
The specimen
this,
can be from any
classify them
site,
as
so I have
yeast
not
or
mentioned
molds,
any particular
hyaline
site.
or
Any
deleterious
site
fungi,
specimen you can
while
get,
it can be
culture
biopsy specimen,
reports are awaited.
dissection specimen, or an
Now,
autopsy specimen.
what do you mean by intraoperative
Processing wise,
Now,
either
this is
it is
a
a frozen
technique
specimen
where
or
you can get a
formalin
rapid
fixed paraffin
presumptive
embedded.
diagnosis of fungal
Now, this
infection
formalin
and
fixed paraffin
invasion,
embedded
which
tissue,
is very
which
useful
Dr.
in
Maurya also
fulminant
talked
invasive
about,
fungal
it is a
sinusitis.
treasure
By
trove for
rapid, I mean
pathologists
that within 20
and for
minutes you
future
can get a
molecular
diagnosis.
diagnostics. Now,
Another advantage of tissue biopsy,
what are the advantages
is
of
that
tissue
it may
biopsy
provide the
and
only
histological
available
examination
material
in view
when
of
there was no
culture
fungal
growth
diagnostics
or cultures were
Now,
not ordered?
tissue biopsy,
And it also helps you decide, give a
what is
prompt
the
provisional diagnosis,
significance
and
of
you
a
can
positive
morphologically
culture
classify
isolate.
fungi. As discussed in yesterday's class, you can
Now, the advantages of
classify
tissue
them as
biopsy
yeast
are
or
that you
molds,
can comment on
hyaline or
invasive
deleterious
and
fungi,
non-invasive fungal
while
infection.
culture
Mind you, I
reports are
told you that
awaited.
cytology
Cannot
Now,
differentiate whether
what
it
do
is
you
an
mean by
invasive
intraoperative
infection or
frozen
a
section? Now,
non-invasive
this is a
infection,
technique
where
you can get a rapid presumptive diagnosis of fungal
comment
infection
upon the type
and
of
invasion,
inflammatory response,
which is very
and as
useful
Dr.
in
Samla
fulminant
discussed
invasive
yesterday,
fungal
that
sinusitis.
the type of
By
inflammatory
rapid, I mean
response
that within
also
20
gives
minutes
you a
you can
clue
get a diagnosis
about the morphology of the fungi.
Now, another advantage
Then
of
you
tissue
can detect
biopsy
certain
is
non-viable
that it
fungi.
may provide the
Fungi
only
that are
available
difficult
material
to recover on
when
culture.
there was no
An
culture
example is
growth or
mucorales.
cultures were not ordered.
Tissue biopsy
And it also
helps
helps
you
you
to decide
decide
co-infection.
what is the diagnostic
As was shown in
significance
yesterday's class,
of
a case of
positive
Aspergillus
culture
and
isolate.
mucor. So tissue biopsy gives you the advantage of
Now,
detecting
the advantages
co-infection.
of tissue biopsy are that
You can comment on
relatively
and
rapidly
non-invasive
detect fungal infection.
species, which
Mind
is
you,
a
I
slow
told you
grower
that
of culture.
cytology
A very
cannot
prominent
differentiate whether it is
example
an
of a fungal
invasive
infection
which
or a
is
non-invasive
which doesn't
infection.
go that well on culture
You can
is histoplasma.
So
Comment
tissue
upon the
biopsy
type
can
of
give you a
inflammatory
rapid
response,
diagnosis,
and as Dr.
in such a
Samla
case.
discussed yesterday,
And then
that the
as
type
I
of inflammatory
told you that
response
FFP
also
material
gives you
or
a
a
clue
tissue block
about the
is a
morphology
treasure
of
trove,
the
and
fungi.
it can be used as a material for
Then you
advanced
can
molecular
detect certain
diagnostics and
non-viable
research. Fungi that are difficult
Now,
to recover
another
on
case
culture.
where
An example is
tissue
mucorales.
biopsy can be very useful in
Tissue biopsy
diagnosing
also
this
helps you to
infection.
detect
This is a
co-infection.
tissue, this is a
As was
biopsy
shown in
from a nasal
yesterday's
polyp,
class, a case of
and you can see
Aspergillus
this is
and
the
mucor.
epithelial lining,
So tissue
and there
biopsy
you
gives you the
see
advantage of
sporangia and so
detecting
many spores
co-infection.
of Rhinosporidium.
You can
Another example
be rapidly detect fungal species which is a slow grower on culture. Invasive fungi, very prominent example of a fungi, these are the hyphae of mucor, which doesn't grow that well on culture, and you are seeing invasion of the blood vessel wall. Tissue biopsy can give you a rapid diagnosis comment upon invasion in such a case. Then there are certain scenarios like that of Rhinospoidean FFP material or infection, or in the case of allergic nuisance, and it can be used as a material for advanced molecular diagnostics and research. Now, how do you
another case
handle a
where
histopathology specimen?
tissue
And how
biopsy
do you
can be
send
very
it?
useful in
Now, if the tissue
diagnosing
is
this
being
infection.
sent for frozen
This is a
section
tissue
or scratch,
this is a
smear,
biopsy from a
remember
nasal
that
polyp,
it has to be
and
submitted
you can
fresh.
see this is the epithelial
No
lining,
fixative
and
or
there you are
transporting
seeing
media should be
sporangia
added.
and so many
Once you have
spores of
added formalin,
Rhinosporidium.
it cannot be processed on a
Another
cryostat.
example is then when you
For
want to
routine
discuss
biopsy
about
and
the
surgical
angioinvasion,
specimens, 10%
invasive
neutral
fungi,
buffered
these are
formalin is the fixative
these are
of
the
choice.
hyphae of mucus.
And this is a blood
Objective
vessel,
of
and you are
using
seeing
formalin is that it
invasion
is
of the blood
ideal
vessel
fixative.
wall by this fungi.
And
So
then
you can
you
comment
use
upon
this biopsy
invasion.
material to
Then
form
there are certain
formalin
scenarios
fixed
like that of
paraffin
Rhinosporidium
tissue or
sebaceae
FFPE blocks,
infection, or
which
in the
can be
case of
used in
allergic
future
mucin,
for molecular
where a tissue
diagnostics or
biopsy
any other
can
test.
suggest a diagnosis.
Initially, we do a staining of hematoxylin
Now,
and
how do you handle a
and if we
histopathology
suspect a
specimen?
fungal organism,
And
then
how
we
do you
go
send
for
it?
special fungal
Now,
stains.
if the tissue is being sent for frozen section or scratch smear, remember that it has to be submitted fresh. No fixative or transporting media should be added. Once you have added formalin,
So
it cannot
these
be
are the
processed on a
various
cryostat.
equipments which are used in
For
histopathology
routine
lab.
biopsy and surgical
Whenever we get a
specimens,
tissue,
10%
neutral
neutral
buffered formalin
then
is the fixative
this
of
goes
choice.
through a cycle in an
The
equipment which is known as
objective of
histokinet.
using formalin is that
Histokinet
it is
has
the
got
ideal
12
fixative.
jars. Now,
And then
first
you
few jars
use
are
this
of
biopsy
formalin,
material to form
then followed by
formalin
alcohol,
fixed paraffin and
xylene,
tissue,
and
or
then finally
FFPE
wax.
blocks.
So the
which can
tissue
be used in
it
future
gets
for
fixed,
molecular
it gets
diagnostics or any other
dehydrated,
test.
it gets cleared
Initially,
and finally
we
it
do a
gets
staining of
impregnated with
hematoxylin and
wax.
eosin.
Next
And
comes
if we
the
suspect a fungal
step
organism,
of
then we go
embedding.
for special fungal
We
stains.
embed the tissue in paraffin wax. Orientation of the specimen is very important in this regard. Where do you want your cutting surface to be? And then finally, a paraffin block is prepared. So these are the
And then
various equipments which are used in histopathology lab. Finally, the
Whenever
sections
we
are
get a
cut. This is
tissue,
a flotation
we place
bar
it in a cassette,
where you pick up the section
then
on a slide. This goes through a cycle in an equipment which is known as histokinet. These few pictures are of a
Histokinet has
cryostat.
got
Now,
12
as
jars.
mentioned, cryostat.
Now,
First few
offers you
jars
the
are of
advantage of
formalin,
giving a
then
prompt
followed by
diagnosis.
alcohol.
Here what we do is that
xylene,
we
and then
freeze
finally
the
wax.
tissue.
So the
We freeze
tissue,
the tissue
it gets
and
fixed
and
it gets dehydrated,
the tissue
it
is
gets
converted
cleared
into ice,
and finally it gets impregnated with
the
wax.
ice provides a
Next
scaffold
comes
on
this
which
the step of
provides that
embedding,
hardness so that the tissue
we
can be
embed
cut
the tissue
with the help
in
of
paraffin
microtome,
wax.
which is
Orientation of the
inside the
specimen
machine.
is very important
So
in this
this
regard.
is a,
Where do you want your cutting surface to
frozen
be?
tissue, frozen
Then
block
finally,
which has been prepared,
a paraffin
and then you
block is
cut this
prepared.
slide.
Now,
And then
cryostat
it is cut with
advantage
the
is that
help
it
of
gives you a rapid
microtome.
diagnosis. Finally, the sections
disadvantage
are
of
cut. This is a
cryostat
flotation
is
bar
that at times
where you pick
morphology
up the
may not
sections
be
on a slide.
very well appreciated.
But still, it is widely used.
These
in
few
pathology.
pictures are of a cryostat.
Now, as mentioned,
Now coming to
cryostat
the stains which are
offers
being
you the
used for
advantage of
making a
giving a
diagnosis of fungus.
prompt diagnosis.
Hematoxylin
Here, what
and
we do
eosin
is that
stain,
we
this is a basic
freeze the
stain.
tissue. It helps
We
us
freeze
to
the tissue
identify
and
the
you
inflammatory
and
post-reaction.
the
And
water
when
is
the
of
tissue
any
is converted
organism.
into ice, for staining or highlighting the wall
ice
of the
provides
fungus,
a scaffold
the two
on
most
which
commonly used stains
provides
are
that
silver stain
hardness
and
so that the
periodic
tissue can be
acid
cut with the
stain.
help of microtome.
You shall be learning about
present
these stains
inside the
in
machine.
subsequent
So
classes.
this is a
Mucicalin
uh,
stain is
frozen tissue,
particularly
frozen block which has
helpful
been
for
prepared,
making
and then you
for
cut this slide.
now
Highlighting the
cryostat
mucopolysaccharide
advantage is that it
capsule of
gives you a
certain
rapid
capsulated
diagnosis.
fungus like
The
Cryptococcus.
disadvantage of cryostat is that at
Melanin
times
stain or
morphology may
Masson
not be
Fontana stain
very
is
well
used for
appreciated.
highlighting the melanin content.
But still, it is widely
pigmented
used in pathology. Bacterial stain is used to
Now coming to the
differentiate between
stains which are being used for making a diagnosis
mycetoma
of
and a
fungus.
eumycotic mycetoma.
Hematoxylin
Because
and
it helps us
eosin
to
stain,
differentiate
which is a basic
higher
stain,
bacteria from
it helps
fungus.
us to identify the inflammatory host reaction
and presence of
the
any
challenges
organism.
which a histopathologists
For
face
staining
at
or
times,
highlighting the
the
wall
tissue
of the
biopsies
fungus
may be very
the
small,
two most commonly used
or
stains
what we
are
get
silver
is a
stain and
regenerated
periodic
scan
acid
necrotic
material.
material.
You will
Sometimes
shall be learning
there is a
about
lot of
these
architectural
stains in
distortion
in
due to
subsequent classes.
antifungal drugs or necrosis. The
Mucicalin
hyphae
stain
may
is
become folded, they
particularly
may become
helpful for making
they may
no longer be recognizable.
highlighting the mucopolysaccharide
Another
capsule
challenge
of
which a
certain
histopathology
capsulated
faces
fungus
is
like
that of dual
Cryptococcus.
infection. Now, whenever there
Melanin
is dual
stain or
infection, you are
Masson
not able
Fontana
to
stain
classify
is used for
whether
highlighting
it is
the melanin
call it
content
posiseptate or
pigmented
tiseptate.
Under
Bacterial
these
stain is
circumstances,
used
or
to
there is
differentiate
dual
between
infection by say Aspergillum and Fusarium
mycetoma and a
under
eumycotic
these
mycetoma.
circumstances,
To
there is
differentiate
the future role
higher
of
bacteria from
dual
fungus.
colored IHC, in situ hybridization, laser microdissection followed
The
by
challenges
PCR,
which a
which may
histopathologists
help
face
us
are
discriminate
at times
between
the tissue
these
biopsies
dual
may be very
infections.
small. Or
And
what we
another
get
problem
is a
which we
regenerated
commonly
scan
face
necrotic
is that
material.
at times
Sometimes
GMS
there is a lot of
stain,
architectural distortion.
collagen fibers also take
Antifungal
up drugs
GMS
on
stain,
necrosis. The
neurocecretory
hyphae
granules
may
also
become
take up
folded,
GMS
they may
stain.
become
So under these
they may
circumstances,
no
it becomes
longer be
difficult
recognizable.
to differentiate them from
Another
a
challenge
hyphae
which a
or histopathological traces is that of dual infection. Now, whenever there is dual infection, you are not able to classify. Now, coming to
whether
this
it is
very important topic, that
or it is
at times
under
culture may
these
be positive, but biopsy is negative. Now, dual infection by say Aspergillus and Fusarium, either the organism is a colonizer, these circumstances, there is a contaminant role of, or the tissue has been sampled from two different areas, and one sample has been sent to microbiology and the other which may help us discriminate Another possible reason is that the pathological sample has not been extensively studied with commonly faces that at times GMS one more scenario which we can face is that fibers also take up GMS but the biopsy granules also take up GMS. Excessive tissue grinding or sample manipulation difficult can damage the hyphae of Nephrorelis, so the culture may be negative hyphal or a yeast. Or the fungi may die if you don't pay attention to whatever Dr. Moria has taught just now. Coming to you have not taken very important precaution during transportation and the fungus culture may be positive but biopsy is negative. Or the tissue again has a sample from two different areas. Either the organism culture is negative but the biopsy is a contaminant, or the tissue has been sampled. Now, what to expect from a pathologist? And one sample has been sent to microbiology and give a description of the fungal morphology. Another possible amount of fungal elements which are seen sample has not been extensively studied. The fungus is invading the tissue and the vessels. And what is one more scenario which we can face is that the culture finally the pathologist but the biopsy comment on the fungi which are excessive tissue grinding or sample with the above mentioned morphology can damage the hyphae of organisms, so the culture may be negative differential diagnosis. Or the fungi may die if you don't pay attention to whatever Dr. Moria has told just now, results that you have not taken proper precaution during transportation. Coming to the last slide, what is the role of ancillary techniques? Or the tissue again has been sampled from IHC and ISH are two techniques which can be used in pathology, but as far as fungal diagnostic is concerned, now, what to expect from a pathologist? A pathologist is expected to give a description of fungal morphology are available. The amount of fungal elements which are seen, like Cryptococcus, whether the fungus problem is the tissue and the vessel activity among, and what is the host reaction to the infection. As far as finally the pathologist is concerned, comment on the sample fungi which are most frequently associated with the above molecular probes are available and the other possible organisms that should be considered not a screening method and a very expensive method correlation with other lab tests array of different culture results is mandatory. So with this we come to the end of the slide. What is the role of ancillary techniques? These are my references. Now IHC and ISH are two techniques which can be used in pathology. Thank you. But as far as fungal diagnostic is concerned, the tests have not been FDA approved as now. But monoclonal and polyclonal antibodies are available against such fungus.
And it had beautiful pictorial representation, and the audience
as far as in situ hybridization is concerned, again, the sample can be frozen tissue or
pathologist perspective
molecular
to some extent, and
thank
you ma'am for
but it is not a screening method and a very expensive method, and you have to use an array of different probes. So with this we come to the end of this talk, and these are my references. Any queries you can
for the next session, that is learning fungal staining techniques. So you are